Welcome, dear listener, to another episode of Exploring Political Thought. Today we delve into Aristotle's profound conception of human nature and the state, exploring his ideas that shaped political philosophy for centuries. Aristotle, a philosopher who believed in the natural evolution of the state, considered it the highest form of political union, representing the pinnacle of social evolution. According to Aristotle, the state was not a mere contractual or artificial creation. Instead, it evolved naturally, rooted in the inherent sociability of human beings. He famously stated that man is a political animal, emphasizing the natural inclination of humans to live in communities. This perspective aligned with the ongoing debate between nomos, convention, and physis, nature, in Greek political theory during the 5th century BC, where both Plato and Aristotle argued for the natural foundation of the state. The state, Aristotle contended, served as an instrument for individual self-perfection. It was not only necessary for the satisfaction of basic wants but also crucial for realizing a good life in a uniquely human sense. Aristotle argued that individuals found fulfillment through the advantages offered by the state's common endeavors, and those who did not recognize this need were either considered angels or beasts. Social affiliation, according to Aristotle, gave individuals their species identity. Aristotle's stance on education played a crucial role in his conception of the state. Like Plato, he believed that education was essential for producing political unity. However, Aristotle criticized Plato for not recognizing the economic significance of education. For Aristotle, education was not just about acquiring skills and common beliefs, it symbolized a way of life. He emphasized that individuals learned primarily through practical experience, and the goal of education was not unity but the fostering and protection of a diverse way of life that encouraged various social and political activities. Aristotle's conviction in the innate sociability of individuals was rooted in his belief that humans possessed a unique capacity for moral choice and reasoned speech. Reason, according to Aristotle, distinguished humans from other social species, and it was through social cooperation that individuals could develop these faculties. He argued that humans alone had a perception of good and evil, right and wrong, just and unjust, and these faculties could only be cultivated in the company of others. The good of the community, Aristotle posited, was superior to the good of a single individual. While individuals might be poor judges of their own interests, education and virtue could lead to their own happiness and excellence, aligning with the common good. This virtuous public behavior, stemming from the individual's social nature, contributed to a well-ordered public arena. Aristotle believed that private life was a necessary condition for a full human existence, but not a sufficient one. Aristotle's exploration of virtues emphasized that these qualities were not implanted in humans by nature but were developed through habit and education. He highlighted the dynamic nature of human capacity, where potential precedes actuality. The absence of reasoned speech and moral choice, Aristotle argued, would leave humans worse off than animals. The distinction between social and individualistic animals played a role in Aristotle's conception of citizenship. Social animals, which include humans, have a unique common activity that unites them, the reason why humans are drawn to the state. Aristotle asserted that citizenship involved participation in judgment and authority, distinguishing citizens from non-citizens. Aristotle traced the evolution of the state from lower associations, beginning with the family or household. A cluster of households formed a village, and a group of villages constituted a political community or polis. The polis, for Aristotle, represented the highest form of human association, offering self-sufficiency and a framework for a full and true life. In conclusion, Aristotle's conception of human nature and the state provides a profound exploration of the natural evolution of political communities. His emphasis on the inherent sociability of humans, the role of education, and the significance of the polis as the highest form of association has left an indelible mark on political philosophy. Aristotle's ideas continue to influence discussions on the nature of the state, citizenship, and the pursuit of a good life within a community.